Hi, this is Steve with Superior Home Supplies, and this video is You Can't Have That Here. As you may recall from our SEER rating video, HVAC equipment is available from a rating of 13 SEER all the way up to 18 SEER. With a 13 SEER being the lowest energy efficient system, those may not be sold in the southern states at all. Only 14 SEER can be sold in the southeast, and only 14 SEER with modified compressors can be sold in the southwest. So for those of you who are in California, New Mexico, Nevada, and Arizona, you have to have a modified condenser to have a 14 SEER to have the EER rating necessary. Similarly, in California, you only can have low NOx furnaces or 96% efficient furnaces. These restrictions have been established by the state of California and by the Environmental Protection Agency. So when purchasing your equipment, please keep these things in mind. And thank you and have a great day.